Okay, here's a new type of problem. It says we have 10 gallons of ice cream to make chocolate malts. It currently has 25% chocolate mix. We want to make it so it's 40% chocolate. Make it stronger. How many gallons of chocolate now do we need to add to the 10 gallons of ice cream that are already there to make it up to 40% chocolate? Now, there's a percent in this problem that you don't see. What you're going to add to your ice cream is just chocolate syrup, okay? That's 100% chocolate, okay? So you want to put 100% there. So again, with this mixture of percents, you're going to set up your table. And the smallest percent's 25%. That's the current. Highest is 100%. That's what we're going to add. Then in the middle is 40%. Okay, and then again you got percent, and then you got gallons and gallons. Now my gallons amount I have is 10, and that is for the first thing. It says that's the amount it currently has. The 10 gallons is, okay. 10 gallons goes into 25%, the original percent. You don't know this, and then you write the expression x plus 10 here. And now the top row has been filled out. Everything has an expression. So 0.2, if you're dividing your percents by 100, 100 divided by 100 is 1 whole, and then 0.40 or 0.4. Okay, then you take 10 times 0.25, that's 2.5. X times 1 is 1x plus 1x. Then here I parenthesize that expression because I need to distribute. I'm going to have 0.40x, then 0.40 times 10 is 4, okay? And then you have a nice easy equation. 2.5 plus 1x equals 0.40x plus 4. Okay, combine your x's. You don't have to do the multiply by 100 stuff, okay? So that's going to be 0.6, so I'm going to have 0.6x plus 2.5 equals 4, and then I subtract 2.5, which is 1.5, and then I divide by 0.6. And that's my answer for x. So 1.5 divided by 0.6 is 2.5. Okay, so I need to add 2.5 gallons of the chocolate syrup, okay, to make it, raise it up to 40%. Okay, I'm going to go with 2 more. You have 20 gallons of ice cream. Currently it has a 25% strawberry syrup. We want to add syrup so it has 35% strawberry syrup, okay? The syrup you're adding is 100% strawberry, okay? How many gallons of strawberry syrup will we need, okay? So the same idea, the lowest percent, you got 25%. And then I'm going to add syrup, so that's 100%. And then we get in the middle, we have 35%. Okay, so again, you got gallons, you got percent, and then you got gallons. And the 20 gallons is of the first percentage, okay? It's not, doesn't go here. It's not 35%. So you have 10 gallons to begin with. That's your 25% strawberry syrup. You're adding the strawberry syrup, so that's x, and this is written as x plus 10. Okay, so 0.25, and that's 1, and then 0.35. 10 times 0.25 is 2.5. Plus 1x, or just x, equals, distribute, and that's 0.35x, and then 0.35 times 10 is 3.5. So the equation is 2.5 plus 1x equals 0.35x plus 3.5. So I subtract my 0.35x, and that gives you 0.65x plus 2.5 equals 3.5. Then I'd minus the 2.5. 3.5 minus 2.5 is 1 whole. And then I divide both sides by 0.65. Tells me what x equals. So 1 divided by 0, 0.65. I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth, so it's 1.54 gallons. Okay, last one. We have 15 gallons of ice cream that we use for Jamocha malts. Currently, it's 12% Jamocha. We want to add syrup. Remember, that syrup you're adding is 100% Jamocha. It's like coffee flavored. So it goes up to 20% syrup. How many gallons of syrup do we need to add? So again, map out my table with my percents on the top. So I have 12%, and then the highest is 100%. Because this is what I have originally, this is what I'm going to add to it, and then the result I want as 20%. Okay, and that, again, that 15 gallons is of the 12%. Okay, percent, and then gallons. Okay, so again, you don't know this because that's your answer. You're trying to find the gallons of syrup. Syrup has 100% flavor. Okay, the ice cream doesn't because there's like the water stuff. And then we write that as x plus 15. 0.12, 1, and then 0.20. 15 times 0.12. Get 1.8 plus 1x. Then I distribute. That's going to be equals 0.20x plus, I think it's 3 here. Yep. Then I have just a nice, easy linear equation where I can solve for x. So subtract 0.20x. And that's 0.8x plus the 1.8 equals 3. And then subtract 1.8 from both sides. 0.8x equals 1.2. And then divide by 0.8. And I think that's 1.5, but I'm not sure. Yep. So 1.5 gallons of the syrup. Okay, let's survey the problem you're going to do on your own. It's a chocolate. Again, you got 20%. You're going to put 100% syrup into it. Okay, so you raise up the chocolate level. And the 24 gallons is for the 20%. It's not for the 30% at the end.